In this tutorial, we will cover the step-by-step process of importing an agsetup file into the InCommand Go displays. Importing agsetup files is a simple way to transfer management information between InCommand Go displays. Information such as configurations, grower management items, products, guidance lines, boundaries, prescriptions, and more. Agsetup files can also be used to import your management information into the SMS desktop software. To begin, insert a USB stick or flash drive containing the agsetup file into the display. Next, tap Settings in the upper left-hand corner. Then tap Data Transfer. Tap Import Setup. If you have an Agfinity account, you can download your agsetup file from the cloud to the display located on the Agfinity tab. Tap the USB device, then navigate the USB contents to locate the agsetup file. Tap the agsetup file you want, then tap the next arrow. On the Import Setup screen, you will be presented with all of the information contained in the agsetup file. The information will be divided into the following tabs: Management, Products, and Configurations, depending on what you're importing. If you wish to not import specific items, simply tap to uncheck them. Tap the next arrow. On the review screen, you will be alerted of any conflicting items. Conflicts typically occur when there is an existing item in the display that is identical to an item that is being imported. You can resolve the conflict by renaming the imported items, editing existing items, or merging items together. Some items, such as configurations and equipment, cannot be merged. If there were no conflicts regarding import, you will only be presented with new or modified items to review. Tap the green check when finished. You have now successfully imported your agsetup file. Tap the green check. If a display contains all of the management information you wish to copy to other displays, an agsetup file can be created and saved to a USB by tapping the Export Setup button. Agsetup files can also be imported and exported through an Agfinity account. Now you will be able to successfully import agsetup files into the InCommand Go displays. For more information on the setup and settings, please refer to the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.